The human dimension is key because our job requires a lot of commitment and passion. As head of operations, I'm responsible for the construction of the Leclerc swimming pool and the Pantin conservatory. The work supervisor is an orchestra conductor. He's at the core of the machine, of the reactor. All information goes through him. We manage a huge mass and flow of information. This is the whole point of the experience we lived with the platform. It's about how to centralize all this information, to have the best collaborative tools, and to ensure that we don't miss a piece of information that could jeopardize the whole operation. Hence, the collaboration of the Dassault Systèmes teams was very fruitful because the principle of this relationship was based on their integration into our teams. A kind of live my life to help them really understand our way of doing things, our way of working, and then build our use cases and our own experience of the platform. Our experience with the platform was to create a support to work more collaboratively, to exchange among us more easily and more exhaustively. On the Pantin site, the platform was a real lever and a real help in getting people on board. Creating use cases on the platform with the Dassault Systèmes teams was a real human experience. A worksite is a great human adventure.